Want to set up a survey and GetResponse, but don't want to waste time figuring it out? I'll walk you through it step by step, and at the end, I'll share an exclusive extended free trial to a tool that's even better for surveys, so stick around. First, log in to your GetResponse account. Go to Tools and select Surveys. If you don't see it, GetResponse may have changed its interface again, something they've been doing a lot lately, so check the navigation menu. Next, click Create Survey. You'll see a few basic templates, but they're pretty limited. If you want more customization, you'll have to build one from scratch. Give your survey a name. This is internal, so your audience won't see it. Now, add your questions. GetResponse supports multiple choice, open-ended, and rating scale questions, but compared to other survey tools, the formatting is a bit rigid. There's no drag and drop feature like in Typeform or SurveyMonkey, which makes the setup feel clunky. The next step is customization. You can change fonts, colors, and button styles, but branding options are pretty basic unless you're on a higher tier plan. If you want fully branded, dynamic surveys, there are better options. Now it's time to share your survey. GetResponse lets you send it by email, generate a link, or embed it on your site. But here's the catch: if you're on the free or lower tier plan, your customization options are limited, and you don't get full data analytics. That's where competitors like Typeform and Jotform pull ahead. Finally, analyzing results. GetResponse provides basic analytics like response rates and average scores, but it lacks the deep insights you'd get from tools focused entirely on surveys. If you need advanced reporting, exporting to Google Sheets or another CRM might be your best bet. Now, if you're serious about running professional surveys, I've linked an exclusive extended free trial to a tool that's way more flexible, with better customization and deeper analytics. And if GetResponse isn't for you, I've also included some solid alternatives with free trials. Check them out through our link to get the best deal.